Hi, I'm Logan, and this is Honey. As you can see, on the front, she's a beautiful buff Orpington. But sadly, on the back, we have problems. Well, to fix that, we will be giving her a bath today, step by step. Hey, I'm back, and I'm going to show you guys how to assemble your chicken bubble bath. First, you'll need 2 lukewarm buckets of water. Then some soap, which you can find at any of your local poultry stores. And finally, you'll need some vinegar, which you can buy at a store, and then you can bring it back to make your chicken's feathers look shiny for a show. And a rubber ducky is optional. So we'll need a willing participant for this. Any volunteers? Okay, so now we got our chicken. So we're going to place her into the soapy bucket in an up and down plunging motion. Your chicken is now clean and ready to be rinsed. Now, pick her up and gently place her into the rinsing bucket. Make sure you throw a little bit of water up on her feathers so they get very clean. Now, your chicken is rinsed. She will now need to be dried off with a towel. Successfully washed her chicken. We have dried her in a towel, but we must have further drying. Thank you for watching my video on how to wash a chicken. Hi, I don't really have a script, but I was just winging it. Back.
CHICKN, that and the way to spell chicken.